Hello everyone, welcome back. Joe here. Thank you all for tuning in as always. Now to start, I just want to say Eid Mubarak, brothers and sisters who are celebrating. Hope you're having a great day with family and friends, whatever you are doing. Leave us a comment, let us know. But of course, you are also here for the crypto. And in today's video, we are looking at 5 very hot cryptos, in my opinion, right now that you should be looking at. Now, nothing in this video is financial advice. I'm not saying go buy these projects. That's up to you if you want to. But if you love crypto, first of all, you should be smashing up the like. And second of all, go and check out these projects if you haven't done so already. So in absolutely no particular order, we are starting off with this one. A squiggly looking line, ball shape kind of thing. I think this is some kind of art. I have no idea what this is, but it is Bittensor.com. Let's get into this one on CoinMarketCap. Okay, 626.7, whatever, round about there, dollars at time of recording, up 8% on the day. Market cap is over 4.1 billion. It's rank 30, more importantly, in the crypto space. So if you haven't heard of this one before, it has been climbing the rankings quite nicely recently, and it is definitely getting some traction. But what the hell is Bittensor? Ticker is TAO, by the way, TAO. You may hear it more referred to as TAO. We've got it here on Masari. They're giving a summary. Bittensor is a protocol consisting of self-contained economic markets called subnets that incentivize the completion of tasks to produce machine intelligence via the distribution of TAO. The underlying network's native token, Bittensor, is built on Subtensor, a layer 1 network developed using Polkadot Substrate SDK. I know what you're thinking. What on earth does all that mean? It sounds very complicated, but the white paper, if you do like going into all those things, if you are a bit of a crypto nerd, is all there on that squiggly line ball website. There is actual genuine details on there. Of course, that is just the front page. But if you're bullish on Polkadot, this could be one for you to look at especially. And look, it's making some good traction. I think I like the ticker TAO. More importantly, rank 30, come out of nowhere. Polkadot has had a fairly decent year so far. Nothing like wild. We do want to see Polkadot, get consistently above $10. And in previous videos on Polkadot, I have shown you that I am personally bullish still long term on Polkadot. So TAO, Bittensor has got my attention. It's one I will be looking at. It's one I'm not invested in yet, but I may be considering it for my HODL portfolio. Leave us a comment below if you're interested in Bittensor or you've bought any yet. Let us know what you are doing or if you're going to take a look at it for the first time. Now, moving on to the next. Number 2 is Toncoin. It had to make this video because Toncoin, it is very hot right now. $83 at time recorded. Just got the yearly chart up on here because it is up over 210% on the year. Now, something reminds me that somebody may have just put out this video about Toncoin and give reasons why they were bullish on Toncoin. So, maybe a good idea to subscribe to that channel, which is this one. There you go, folks. So if you haven't subscribed already, be sure to subscribe and you'll never miss anything we put out. Well, back on Toncoin, the future of currency. It's all about what is going on Telegram. Again, go watch the video that I've done previously to cover more details on this, but it's a very simple project to understand. With Telegram getting more users, it's only going to be a good news for this project and the Toncoin. So I remain bullish on this one. I see users increasing on Telegram. I see this as a potential payment service for all kinds of services and products flying through Telegram. So, Toncoin, bullish, it's having a good year. Do I think it's cooked? I personally don't. I do think there will be a pullback personally. Again, none of this is financial advice, there's no guarantees. I wouldn't be diving in at this price. The price to get in was $2 or below, in my opinion. But I do think there's still going to be a cool off from this price. We are seeing a bit of resistance around about $7 now. So I'm not a buyer here on Ton. I'm not saying the sub $2 is guaranteed. Again, you just don't know. But if I was looking to DCA, which is always a fairly decent strategy, I would be looking for a healthy correction on TON now because it is on a bit of a rip at the moment, which we would maybe expect to cool off. But if Bitcoin continues to fly, maybe Toncoin can keep going to that double figure target. If you're invested in Ton, let us know what you are doing. Are you buying? Are you selling? Leave us a comment below. Moving on to the third one. Innovation unleashed, it's Fantom. Fantom enables visionary developers to build the decentralized applications of tomorrow. We know that this one is a channel favorite. A lot of Fantom fans are subscribed to Crypto Rosetta. Thank you very much to you guys. And Fantom is having a decent recovery, in my opinion. We're looking at over a 6, maybe 7x, I think, off the bottom to the highest point it's been this year. So we know in the last confirmed bull market of 2020 through to late 2021, Fantom had an absolutely insane super run. Anyone who got in early on Fantom made an absolute life-changing amount of money, potentially. But as it went to the complete moon, it came crashing down. DeFi got absolutely smacked. And of course, Fantom relies so much on DeFi doing well. So huge rip up. Huge crash down, now had a decent recovery. What is going to happen next with Fantom? I really don't know. I talked about in the last Fantom video, this one, how that push to $1 was so important. It got there, now expecting a pullback, which has happened, but then now it's bounced. So a lot happening with Fantom at the moment. I don't really know which way this one's going to go. So it's not actually a current trade that I'm interested in, because I think there's equal chance of it going back to 50 cents as it is going to 150 at the moment. Of course, we want to see that rip to hit the previous highs, which I've mentioned on the last video on Fantom, but the project remains pretty hot right now because it is such a fine balance. We know we've been waiting for the Sonic upgrade, which is holding the price up. Will it be a buy the rumor, sell the news? Obviously, it's got a decent pump up thanks to that Sonic chatter now, but is that upgrade going to make the price cool off? We just don't know. I think it's a high risk entry at the moment. Personally, I do think it could cool off before hopefully finding a higher low and then attacking those previous all-time highs. That's really what I want to see from Fantom. But it is at time of recording around about 97 cents. It was at just above $1 literally over an hour ago, so pulling back slightly now. But rank 47, still decent, but a little bit disappointing, especially when you're hearing about coins like Bittensor TAO, already mentioned this video, in rank 30, and Fantom is rank 47. I know you Fantom fans want to see Fantom really more attack that kind of top 20. You'd like to see it going. Decent volume though on the last 24 hours. Again, a lot of volatility on this one. Traders, again, not really sure if it's getting pulled towards 150 or 50 cents. It really does feel like this one could go either way. Fantom does have a lot of whale control though, it does have to be said, so those guys are going to be the ones that decide where this one goes next. Circulating supply though on Fantom, 88% being recorded as in circulation, which is pretty decent. So I still think Fantom has so much more potential. I am bullish on Fantom if that money from retail can come back into DeFi and take DeFi to another level. But we need more confidence in the market, and I still kind of feel we are in a little bit of a cash is king world still. So will we see that same DeFi hype? I'm really not sure, guys. But if anyone's invested in Fantom, let us know what you're doing. Leave us a comment below. We always love to hear what the community are doing. There is still, of course, tons in the crypto media about that Sonic upgrade here being reported by CoinGate. Fantom launching the first validator using Sonic tech. Price shoots 8%. So again, lots of talk continuing about the Sonic upgrade. We shall see where the price goes. Again, maybe we'll take a look at Fantom on the charts in a video coming again very soon. Now moving on to coin number 4. This is a brand new project which has been on absolute fire since launch. It is Ethena. This is Ethena.fi, enabling the internet bond, synthetic dollar and internet native yield. And the overview I've got here is Ethena is a synthetic protocol developed on the Ethereum platform, offering a cryptocurrency investment alternative that operates independently of traditional banking systems. Its goal is to provide crypto investors with a blockchain-based dollar-demonstrated savings option termed the Internet Bond. That actually sounds pretty exciting to me. That is like taking DeFi to another level, and I can understand why there is a huge amount of hype on this one. But Is it gonna stumble when it comes to the regulators? This could be the problem. The SEC will certainly be watching this one, but right now the coin is pumping. On CoinMarketCap, its ticker ENA, $1.36. It's up 7.8% on the day. I remember looking at this last week when I think it was around about 50 or 60 cents. I put it out in our Discord to our community. Our Discord is free to join. Link is in the description below. Market cap 1.9 billion. Volume down on the last 24 hours, so it may be cooling off a little bit. Not a lot out there in the circulating supply being recorded, only 10%. So do be cautious. Do be aware of that. Go and do your research on the tokenomics. I'm not going to cover that on this video because we've only got so much time, and I know time is precious to you guys. So of course, do your research on all these projects before you buy into any of them. But ENA is being reported a lot in the media, also increasing that hype here on CoinDesk. Initial lock cap has been set at $200 million and will be adjusted to increase over time. There's also a whole other ton of media on Ethena out there now. Obviously, a lot is going out into marketing on this one. So again, be cautious. Just have that in the back of your mind. But regardless, I think this is a high risk, high reward play that I think could do very, very well. And I'm not sure that it's going to cool off straight away. So it's risky, in my opinion. None of this is financial advice, but still $1.50 or less. And yes, I know that's 3x on what I seen it last week, but could this one just absolutely continue to take off? I'm not sure it's going to cool off just yet. So I think there's going to be a lot of interest in this one. I would not be surprised if this one kind of 2 or 3x out of nowhere. High risk, high reward. Never invest more you can afford to lose. But yeah, take a look at the project. Go dive into this one for sure. Last but certainly not least, it's Pendle. This may be an absolute gem that I missed, to be honest, but we've got to cover it because it is very, very hot right now. Liberating yield. Big DeFi play on CoinMarketCap here, $6.22. Look at that yearly chart again, ladies and gentlemen. Up 1,168% on the year. So, rank 70, come out of nowhere again, maybe to some people, that's what they'll be thinking, and I can see this one going actually quite a bit higher, but I wouldn't personally be jumping in now after such a rip. Circulating supply, though, extremely good. 92.55 being recorded out there. Sorry, summary on this one. Pendle Finance provides decentralized financial services with a focus on fixed yields and yield tokenization. It supports cross-chain compatibility and includes automated market-making mechanisms for effective yield trading. So this is one that I'm happy to talk about and say I missed it. I'm not diving in right now. It's been on an insane rip. But if this one got, a juicy correction, let's say something around 50 to 60%, which is, fairly plausible after an 1100% pump, then maybe I will consider it and take another look at this one, and it could be one to get into. You may not see $1 or less on Pendle again. Well done, by the way, if anybody did buy very cheap and is in profit on Pendle. Let us know, leave us a comment below. But I think that this one is one that institutions may be looking at if the market can maintain being bullish, because again, a lot of these 5 coins that I've mentioned here are heavily involved in DeFi. And again, is this the summer of DeFi again? But are we going to see DeFi stick around this time? Is the SEC going to allow DeFi? This is a huge unknown, and this is why all cryptocurrency investments are extremely high risk, high reward. As always, we say there's no safe investments in crypto. We have to be real with you on this channel, guys, but there are huge gains to be made, as you've seen with anyone who got in early on Pendle. So we'll see if DeFi maintains a very bullish year. I really hope it does for the space. Of course, all eyes will be on Bitcoin holding up, and we will have a look at more technical analysis in videos to come. If you've enjoyed the content and you haven't hit the like already, be sure to smash up the like. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you again.